Welcome to the Soul Tribe and to this guided meditation all about forgiveness. Settle into a comfortable position, sat upright with your hands resting in your lap and your eyes closed. Begin to deepen your breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Letting go of any tension or thoughts you may be carrying, ready to surrender to the act of forgiveness. Keep focusing on your inhales and where you can feel this sensation in your body. Your chest or abdomen rising and falling, or the intake of air through your nose. And notice any sensations as you exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And if your mind has drifted, let this be a reminder to bring you back to your breath, anchoring you here in this moment, becoming mindful of the present. Relax the muscles in your face and neck. Relax your shoulders, letting them drop away from your ears. Observe any areas that you may need to send your breath to in order to release tension. Today's session is all about developing the ability to forgive others and yourself. Our lives are made up of lots of different moments, memories, and choices we have made. Looking back on some of these decisions and moments, we might feel like they do not represent who we are today. It's part of life. And ultimately, things we have done in the past have led us here. We may have said or done things that have hurt others or ourselves at one point or another in our life. But forgiveness is a practice that can help us let go of resentment for what has happened and free ourselves from suffering. quote from Lewis B. Smedes says, "To forgive is to set a prisoner free and discover that the prisoner was you." When you think about past wrongdoings where you've been hurt, or where you may have hurt others, you continue to live with those feelings of anger, resentment, or shame. You carry these emotions through your day-to-day life, adding to your suffering and continuing these moments from the past, rather than moving on from them. It takes a certain amount of self-love and self-worth to truly believe you are worthy of forgiveness and to forgive others. This practice will help you to move forward and let go of the past. Let us start by forgiving others. Sometimes it can be extremely hard to forgive those that have caused you hurt, but it's a necessary step in the progression of your personal growth and strength. Think of someone or something that has hurt you. Visualize them and sit with the feelings this brings up, without getting completely lost in the content of the story of whatever may have happened. It's time to offer up your forgiveness, to release any anxiety or resentment you have been harbouring. Say to yourself, "I offer forgiveness to this person." Say their name in your head. Say, "I forgive you for the ways in which you harmed me." Repeat these forgiveness mantras in your head as we go. I forgive you and I move on. I do not allow grudges to become a part of me. I release any resentment and embrace a new beginning. I am free. Bring your awareness back to your breath, inhaling acceptance and exhaling resentment. Now it's time to forgive yourself. Visualize yourself, noticing all the details of your appearance. Bring to mind an instance that you wish to forgive yourself for, and sit with this for a few moments. When you are ready, using your own name, say to yourself, "I forgive you. May I forgive myself." Repeat these forgiveness mantras in your head as we go. I forgive myself. I accept that everything I go through is to help me become the best version of myself. Forgiveness is the key to happiness. I am free. Let your awareness settle back on your breaths, inhaling happiness and exhaling bitterness. Take a moment to give thanks to yourself for turning up today, for practicing forgiveness and processing your past hurt. Forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself to set you free from emotional torture and allowing yourself to move on with grace and live in peace. Remember that this is a process of letting go into a more happy and free life, and it requires practice. Return to this session whenever you feel the need to release any resentment. Slowly bring yourself back to the room, gently wiggling your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. We look forward to welcoming you back soon.